So first deployment model we will be seeing is public cloud. Basic cloud, like cloud means Google you are using, right? Google Drive or Photos. Basically, they are providing you 15 GB of free space. That also we can call it as public cloud. Okay. So just because it is public cloud doesn't mean it is need to be free all the time. Even Google Cloud, if you take also up to some extent only they will provide you for free. So same concept here also. So the basic underlined concept is anyone can access from anywhere. Okay. But it will be little bit of less secured when compared to other cloud services because they are providing you for free. So we cannot expect much security from them. But still, they will provide a little bit of security and they are improving on it because user data is more important, right? So improvements are still being made. Okay, so here itself they have given the examples. Okay, in free, mostly it will be free, and it can be like pay as you go or pay per subscription also will be there. In Google Cloud also, after 15 GB, if you want to more storage space means they will have some plans 100 GB, 200 GB, 2 TB like that. They will have some various plans. So let us see the real time scenario here. Otherwise, if you are not using Netflix, also Hotstar, Amazon Prime, like that, any cloud-based services to watch movies or anything you might have been used. Right? If you have logged in, means they will provide you like lot of videos, suggestions will be there. Why here they are mentioning the Netflix is Netflix was first created a long before, like it has been first created in 1996 itself, and in 2008. Okay, they have been moved the data to the cloud completely. They have moved to cloud. So at that time, it was just a beginning stage of cloud computing. Okay, it was just emerging stage, but that time itself, they have moved all the data to the cloud. So because of that, currently, you know, more than 25 times of the users are using right now, and 70 percentage of the traffic in the internet has been controlled by this Netflix only. So from Netflix, where they are getting the storage space, that cloud services from the Amazon only. So after seeing that the profit of the Netflix, Amazon also are having their own, video streaming application, which is Amazon Prime, and it has been reported that it is very rarely you can see the downtime error on the Netflix, even though it is holding 70% of the traffic. Lot of users are using all over the world. The downtime that website is not able to reach or anything, it is very less only. Okay, so this is we can say it is one of the example of public cloud. So the advantage of using this public cloud is minimal investment. So you don't need to pay anything for creating a Gmail account. Automatically, you will be getting 15 GB of storage space, no setup cost. You don't need to install any hardware to access the data. So no maintenance cost, no infrastructure, and dynamic scalable. So today, if you want means, if you are paying means, you can get 2 TB also. Tomorrow, if you think I'm not using that much storage space, then you can, you know, subscribe for less storage space also. So that we call it as dynamic scalability. Every model will have their own advantage and disadvantage. Here, the disadvantage we are saying is less secured and less customizable because they are providing the pricing and plans. So we just can able to choose the plans from them, but we cannot able to customize as per our needs. Okay, as per our demand. So that we can call it as some of the disadvantage of using the public cloud model.